Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on or turn off animated art on Apple Music. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you are going to play the song and it's showing the animated art like live wallpaper, then I'll show you how can you turn it on or how can you turn this off. So first of all, you have to open the setting. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you have updated your TUIs. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and locate for the Apple Music. So just simply have to tap on that. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on and you can easily see here animated art option. Just simply have to tap on that and you can easily see here Wi-Fi only, off or on. So just simply have to check on if you want to turn it on. If you want to turn this off, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on this one. You can also customize to turn on only on Wi-Fi, tap on only Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.